welcome back to another video. So in today's video we have just got wind deflectors, okay? I'm going to put these on and then what we're going to do, Sadiq, we've got Sadiq back in the camera. Sadiq might be a bit rusty. It's been a minute, so let's put all of these down. Which ones are they? I never use the... Look at that. Try to get him a fucking whip then, boss. See that? Little bastard. Gotta be vigilant. You'll fucking sneak in, boss. Probably get in. Right. Inside for now. And it comes with this, Sadiq. Be very vigilant. Come on. I never use the metal clips, there's no point. Solid to take them out and they always catch your window. If you don't do them properly, then your window don't close. Right, so what we're dealing with here, right, you put this side in first, right? I've done this a million times, so then you just give it a little bend over here. You're gonna get a little swoop, right? Tuck, tuck, just like this. Easy, my boy. Easy, my boy. You might get a little thingy like that. You got force, man. Oh, see, now he's moved over here. You little sneaky bastard. You gotta catch both of them. Wait, hold up, bro. You seeing this? Another one just landed. Oh, last bit. There we go. Beautiful stuff. Now, let's do the next one. Let's do them all. And then we'll put the windows up. What we're dealing with here, sweet. Try to do this all in one take. That's for that side. How are we looking, Sadiq?
Yeah, it's
They all
good.
coming back to you? Yeah. Oh, there's the camera back. Sadiq is not that. Cool. A lock on itself. Put it in stand. Oh, you little dirty bastard. Yeah, keep that closed. How we looking, Steve? With him?
Yeah.
Come the fuck on. I ain't got nails to eat, that's a problem. There we go. There we go, sweet. Right. Always fat section in first. Give it a bend. Stick that right in there. Oh, child locks up. Had the child lock on. But watch out for them goddamn kids. Them goddamn kids up in there. Right, easy. Come on, see. Come next side. Light work, my boy, light work. Go. Fucking shots fired. You think it's better you standing on that side to the
Yeah.
all in one take, so sometimes I see some doubters and know what I'm saying. They're like, yo, he's definitely cutting and pasting these. Fuck off your damn corner. One take, yeah, man. Know what I'm saying? Oh, hold up. What am I doing? Fat side in first. Give it a bend. Just like that. Tuck it in. Shove it in. And then obviously don't open these up. Sitting there, buddy. Tricky ones are the front ones. That one's only just fly straight in. These are Hecko as well. Hecko are the best ones. Might be a bit pricier, but they are the best. Fucking nails, bro. How we looking at it? You ready?
Yeah.
It's good eating right here, bro. Yo, this one's got high speed, bro. Yo, got all the yo with the fucking high speed. Right, in like that, so in there. Cut the back here. Fuck off, you dinging prick. There we go. And this one I noticed you gotta push this a bit like this so that you see it. Just give this a little push like that. Just for that initial one. Nope, a bit more of a push. Bit more of a push. It's like the whole thing should be this way. Prick. What did I tell you? It's always the front ones. Just like what? There we go. See how we're looking. Yeah. Well, I'll see you in the next one.